Hello everyone, today I will make a yin-yang soap. And I'll share a story about a hawk. Let's start by mixing oils according to the recipe. We mix coconut oil, sunflower oil, palm kernel oil, and animal fat. Then, add sodium hydroxide solution. Mix the ingredients for no more than 5 minutes, until they blend well without separating into oil and water layers. Divide the mixture into 2 parts. Add colors and blend. Add fragrance as desired. Mix each color separately until it achieves the right thickness. Test the mixture for a medium trace consistency. When ready, pour it into molds. Now listen to the story about a hawk. Once a hawk suddenly swooped down on a quail and seized it. Then the quail, as it was being carried off by the hawk, mourned.
Oh, just my bad luck and lack of merit that I was wandering out of my proper range and into the territory of others. If only I had kept to my proper range today, to my own ancestral territory. This hawk would have been no match for me in battle.
The hawk asked,
"But what is your proper range? What is your own ancestral territory?"
A newly plowed field with clumps of earth all turned up.
So the hawk, without bragging about its own strength, without mentioning its own strength, let go of the quail.
"Go, quail, but even when you have gone there you won't escape me."
Then the quail, having gone to a newly plowed field, with clumps of earth all turned up and climbing up on top of a large clump of earth, stood taunting the hawk.
Now come and get me, you hawk! Now come and get me, you hawk!
So the hawk, without bragging about its own strength, without mentioning its own strength, folded its 2 wings and suddenly swooped down toward the quail. When the quail knew, the hawk is coming at me full speed, it slipped behind the clump of earth. And right there the hawk shattered its own breast. The story is over, let's continue making soap. Leave the soap in the mold for 2 days to harden. I noticed the top of the soap looks different from the bottom. The soap surface isn't smooth because I forgot to put the parchment paper in the mold. I carved the soap, and the internal pattern is exquisitely beautiful, resembling the yin-yang symbol. This section is symmetry, but here, yellow is bigger. This part, pink, is larger than yellow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell to support the Papa Co Homemade channel.